Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic horizontal that I use for journaling. I don't often show the after the pen in this just because it's my journal, so it's private. And I've missed a lot of days. I'm really bad right now, but I'm doing the best that I can with catching up. Oh, I just realized how bad I've been in keeping up with this. Alright, but this week I will be using Happy Blooms along with jewel toned boxes. Alright, let's get started. Just showing you guys my brief after the pen just makes me realize how bad I've been in terms of really keeping up with my journal. And a lot of it has really been since we've had Lucy, mostly due to the fact that whenever I go to bed, I'm just so exhausted, and normally my bedtime routine is writing in my journal, and I need to get better at that. And I mean, speaking of things that I've been so far behind in, one of those things is also my memory planner. Like, I haven't decorated November or December of 2020, and I think I'm so far behind in pictures. I haven't even printed off all the pictures for 2021, and part of me is just kind of like ready to give up on the whole project, and I don't really want to, but at the same time I'm just kind of like, meh. Okay, so how do I want to do this? Because these are massive florals. They're beautiful but massive, and I want to, okay, there is a way that I'm going to do this, and I'm going to take some old sticker sheets, and I knew this would come in handy. So I'm going to take some old sticker sheets. It's a very big sticker to put on the back of my hand. I'm going to take some old sticker sheets. I'm actually going to take the sticker backing off, because then this whole piece of paper, or this whole sheet, I can put stickers on and I can easily take them off. And I'm going to do the same here, because what I want to do involves me being able to lift the stickers up. Oh, something so satisfying about doing that. I knew I kept these for a reason. Okay, so what I'm going to do is place this here, place this there, and then place this right on top. Oh, okay, make sure it's straight. Okay, so now that I've done that, I will grab my X-Acto knife with a ruler. Oh gosh, and it's crooked. Of course it's crooked. And cut very gently so I don't cut through the actual planner paper. Let's see where I actually have to stop cutting, so I don't want to go past. Okay, I've done something similar to this before, but okay. Let's see. Nope, didn't cut all the way through. So I just want to be very careful about where I cut. Okay, that's coming off. And that's coming off. Perfect. And then here, still a lot of that sticker left. Oh, I love the way that that looks already. Then this I can come straight off that sticker paper. How wonderful is that? And then I could do something similar here. And I feel like if I just cut straight across with my scissors, for one, it won't be exactly straight, but I'll do my best. Okay. Then this one, I could place right here in this corner. As straight as I can, gosh. Yeah, that's what I have these for. So make sure that it's in the corner as best as possible. Maybe go down a little bit into that black line. Okay, already loving that. And then this, I feel like I'm going to place this down here. Although I still have 2 quarters that I could actually get a lot out of. So let's place this one here. And this one is a little crooked, I can tell. And then this one here. 1 sticker in 4 different spots. Wow. I feel like that's very economical, being able to use 1 sticker in 4 different spots like that. And it's a huge sticker, and I still have lots left over to work with. So I'm going to take this yellow one and place it here. Now I have been kind of going with the theme of the flowers kind of coming from the side, so I'm going to do that with this one as well. And then I might add this to a different one. I just don't know which one yet. Purple, and there's a finished sheet. So then with purple, I feel like I'll do that. And no, just right in there. And then I've got these 2 that I still want to use, and a sheet that's empty. Again, I write on the back which sticker book it came from and what date I used it. So today is the 28th. Yay! I always love having finished sticker sheets. And then this one is so gorgeous. And this one I will cut just like this. To cover Sunday. And then I feel like whatever's left over I can put down here in like a little collage, a montage of stuff. There we go. I mean, I don't want to go too crazy with it, but yeah, there's like those huge florals. I almost don't want to go too much into that actually, because I feel like it matches the theme of the whole thing, and if I put too many flowers in there I feel like it would just overload the whole spread. So I do feel like this needs to be used though. Where? Sorry, can't find a place for you. All right, so let's go look for boxes. Okay, so let's start with pink boxes. Yes. I'm gonna do, let's find my lovely washi and do love with a tiny bit of washi. Again, the rule of 3. Somebody said it was the Fibonacci sequence that a lot of designers use, and I totally get that. And then here I will use orange. It's the orange and purple together with a, no, I'm going to combine it with a pink love. Now, like I've said this in a previous plan with me, these stickers drive me crazy because I'm so clumsy. I am more liable to rip these ones. Ooh, but I didn't rip that one. Okay, now I need that one. Could do a purple one up there. Or I could just do a, actually, we'll do this with an orange. Remember this. Then down here, I'm gonna do, they're all the to-dos. I want one that's, okay, yes. Very careful. Perfect. And put that down with a, what color have I not used yet? Or let's just do the washi. I don't need a box to go with it. Let's just do the washi. Yes. And then here, let's do purple locks. Or a purple love. With washi. Yep, perfect. Then here, I feel like I could do an orange, or orange goes well with a today. And I will add more washi. I love this washi. And then here I will do pink. There's not many pinks, so I'm just gonna have to deal with the box with a purple. Remember this. Oh yeah, love that. Perfect. Now, the thing that I need though down is like a big quote down here, and I'm trying to remember where I think possibly, let me just have a look. Possibly colorful florals? No. Pressed florals may have a really big quote that I can put there. Just blue. Sorry guys, my camera cut out there, but if you missed that, I just put this big darling sticker down from the Pressed Florals sticker book, and I really love the way that this looks. One of the things I really need to work on this week is getting back into my journaling as part of my bedtime routine. I've fallen off of it, and you can really tell by the lack of completed weeks here, and it's driving me crazy that I haven't completed so many weeks. All right. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.